Wherever you are, I hope you are well. Natural Disasters on the Event Channel, welcome. In the heart of Hong Kong and the sprawling cities of southern China, an epic battle unfolds as they grapple with the relentless onslaught of torrential rains. A deluge unrivaled in over a century and a half. As the heavens unleashed their fury, the streets of Hong Kong were swiftly transformed into submerged thoroughfares, and subway stations became eerie underwater caverns. In a desperate bid to protect their citizens, authorities declared a state of emergency, suspending schools and businesses in a frantic effort to mitigate the chaos. Amidst this watery chaos, the valiant emergency services embarked on daring rescue missions, plucking over 100 souls from the jaws of this tempestuous tempest. The skies, in their wrath, cast forth a black weather warning, signaling the severity of the calamity that had descended upon them. Photographs captured the astonishing spectacle of streets transmogrified into raging rivers, grand shopping emporiums transformed into aquatic realms, and the lifeblood of public transportation. Inundated and paralyzed. On the digital canvas of social media, terrified denizens were seen ascending perilous heights, seeking refuge atop vehicles and other elevated sanctuaries. For the floodwaters surged to towering altitudes, cruelly sealing the entrances to the underground labyrinth of subway stations. Astonishingly, the heavens had unleashed an unforgiving barrage of rain, with an astonishing 70 millimeters cascading from the skies every hour. Yet, the true extent of this meteorological cataclysm was revealed as the Hong Kong Observatory bore witness to a staggering hourly downpour of 158.1 millimeters. A record-breaking deluge unmatched since the annals of meteorological history were first written in 1884. This saga of inundation continued relentlessly, with over 200 millimeters of rain inundating the landscapes of Hong Kong Island, Kowloon, and the city's northeastern reaches. The battle against nature's wrath rages on, with these resilient cities standing united against a calamity of epic proportions. Determined to weather the storm and emerge victorious in the face of historic adversity. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.